1. Here's a true classic for you, the 1985 Toyota Corolla SR5, offered at $8,600. This car features a bright yellow exterior and a blue interior that has retained its freshness despite covering 133,000 miles. It comes with a clean title and is fully paid for, so you can start driving it right away. The Toyota Corolla SR5 is equipped with a manual transmission and a 1.6 SOHC4 AC engine. It has a Weber carburetor, a new water pump, thermostat, hoses, and radiator fan. Additionally, it has a new master brake cylinder, starter, spark plugs, and wires. Inside the car, you'll find GTS front seats, a complete interior, and an intact dashboard. This car has no significant damages or issues except for a minor problem with the brake pedal becoming soft. The seller suspects it might be related to the need to replace the brake booster, as there are no fluid leaks from the lines and the master cylinder has been replaced. The Toyota Corolla SR5 also features BC Racing coilovers, eBay 4-link rear suspension, a Weir spool differential, disc brake conversion, and Wilwood rear calipers. Additionally, it is equipped with a Vertex Rep front bumper, J Blood Rep side skirts, and a Rocket Bunny-style rear spoiler. The rear lights are transparent, and the car rides on 15x10-25 wheels with Achilles 195/45 R15 tires. This car is perfect for classic car enthusiasts looking for reliable and stylish transportation. It's ideal for city driving or participating in drift competitions. Don't miss the opportunity to become the owner of this automotive icon. 2. Are you a fan of classic cars? Then you can't overlook this unique find. Introducing the 1979 Pontiac Firebird, currently available for $8,500. This car has only covered 1,500 miles and is in excellent condition. It comes with an automatic transmission, making it the perfect choice for those who love comfort and convenience. The exterior color of the car is blue, which perfectly complements its classic design. Inside the car, you'll find an interior in excellent condition, ready to welcome you behind the wheel. But the most exciting part is that this Pontiac Firebird is a racing car. It is equipped with a 4-point safety cage, making it safe and reliable on the racing track. Additionally, it has 3-way adjustable shocks, allowing you to tune it to your individual needs. The car also features tubular control arms and front and rear control arms, providing maximum maneuverability and stability at high speeds. The main advantage of this car is its GM 12-bolt rear end, with a 4.10 gear ratio and a Posey traction unit. This means it is ideal for short-distance racing, delivering maximum power and acceleration. This Pontiac Firebird is the perfect choice for those who love classic cars and want to try their hand at racing. It's ready to take your engine and transmission and hit the track. Don't miss this unique opportunity to become the owner of this fantastic car. 3. Introducing a true legend of the American automotive industry, the 1968 Plymouth Sport Fury Convertible. This car is currently available for $21,000 and is the perfect choice for those who love classic cars. The car is in excellent condition and has undergone a complete restoration. It has been repainted in the original color, and the restoration work has been carried out to a high standard. The roof has been replaced with a new one and is in excellent condition. The car's wheels are steel and equipped with original hubcaps, which are in great condition. The tires are also in good condition and ready for the road. The car's interior has been updated with new door panels, seats, and carpets. The dashboard is in good condition and features the original radio, which, unfortunately, is not functional. Under the hood, the car is powered by a 318 cubic inch engine that runs perfectly and has a management system and an oil pump. The car is also equipped with a new aluminum radiator, providing improved engine cooling. This car is a splendid representative of classic Mopar vehicles and is perfect for cruising. It has only 59,126 miles on the odometer, and both its interior and exterior are in excellent condition. If you are looking for a classic car that will stand out on the road, then this Plymouth Sport Fury convertible is the perfect choice for you. 4. Take a look at this wonderful 1977 Mercedes-Benz SL-Class, currently available for purchase at $6,500. This car has a mileage of 75,000 miles and is in excellent condition. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior of the car is styled in a sophisticated beige color, while the interior boasts an elegant brown finish. This car is in excellent condition and comes with a clean ownership history. The seller guarantees that the car has no significant damages or issues. This 450 SL is an outstanding example of a classic Mercedes-Benz car, perfect for collecting or weekend drives. It comes with its original hardtop and the interior is in good condition. The car has been meticulously serviced and is ready to hit the road. Don't miss the opportunity to become the owner of this remarkable car at such a low price. 5. Do you love classic American cars? Then you must take a look at this 1977 Chevrolet El Camino, currently available for purchase at $9,500. This car features a gray exterior and brown interior, and it has already traveled over 150,000 miles, but despite that, it still runs excellently. This El Camino is equipped with an automatic transmission and a V8 engine with a displacement of 350 cubic inches, which operates without issues. Gear shifts are smooth and the car drives well. It runs on gasoline and comes with a clean history and title. Although the car has a few cosmetic imperfections, its interior is in good condition, except for needing a new dashboard. The radio and headlights work perfectly, making the car ideal for driving at any time of the day. This El Camino has had 3 owners, but it is still in excellent condition with no significant damages or issues. If you are looking for a classic American car that you can buy today and start driving tomorrow, then this 1977 Chevrolet El Camino is exactly what you need. Don't miss this opportunity and take your step towards owning a classic American car today. 6. Do you adore vintage cars? Then you'll surely appreciate this 1971 Chevrolet C20, currently available for purchase at $16,000. This pickup is in excellent condition and has only 75,000 miles on it. The car is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Its exterior color is orange and the interior is white, creating a unique and memorable appearance. There are no significant damages or issues with this car. The seller has only replaced the radiator and generator, so you can be confident that it operates perfectly. The only place with surface corrosion is the passenger door, but it doesn't pose any problem. This pickup is also equipped with heavy-duty springs and a rear axle with no slip, making it ideal for heavy loads. Additionally, it has a 4-speed transmission, ensuring smooth and precise gear shifts. Overall, this 1971 Chevrolet C20 is a wonderful vehicle for vintage car enthusiasts. It has a unique and memorable appearance, operates excellently, and is perfect for heavy-duty tasks. Don't miss this opportunity and make it yours today. 7. Do you love vintage cars? Then you can't do without this wonderful find. Introducing the 1960 Chevrolet Bel Air, currently listed for sale at $10,000. This car has only 70,000 miles and is in excellent condition. The automatic transmission operates flawlessly, and a new starter and spark plugs ensure a smooth engine start. It features a 235 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine that runs like a charm. The car's exterior is painted in a beautiful green color, perfectly complementing the white interior. The addition of new white wall tires only enhances its classic charm. The car comes with a clean title, meaning you won't have any issues with the paperwork. The seller assures that the car has no significant damages or problems. The only thing that needs installation is a new fuel pump, but it's an easy fix that won't require much time or money. Inside, the car is very clean, and you can be confident that it will provide a comfortable ride. Don't miss the opportunity to become the owner of this wonderful classic car. Come and see it for yourself today. 8. Attention all vintage car enthusiasts. Feast your eyes on this stunning 1980 Mazda RX-7, a true gem that has been well maintained and is now available for sale. With only 72,000 miles on the odometer, this beauty has been driven with care and is ready for its next adventure. The exterior of this RX-7 is a showstopper, with its original red paint job that shines like new. The black interior is equally impressive, with comfortable seats and all the original features intact. The car comes with an OEM sunroof and air conditioning, making it the perfect ride for a sunny day cruise. Under the hood, you'll find a 12A rotary carbureted engine that runs like a dream. The manual transmission is smooth and responsive, making for an exhilarating driving experience. The car has been recently smogged and comes with 2024 tags, so you can hit the road with confidence. The current owner has taken great care of this RX-7, replacing several key components to ensure its longevity. The brake master cylinder, slave cylinder, battery, tires, spark plugs, and spark plug wires have all been replaced, so you can rest assured that this car is in top condition. With only 2 previous owners and a clean title in hand, this 1980 Mazda RX-7 is a rare find. The car is paid off and ready for its new owner to take it on the road. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. 9. If you're looking for a classic car that stands out from the rest, then this 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray is the perfect choice for you. It is currently listed for sale at $9,000 and has only 10,000 miles on it. This Corvette Stingray features an automatic transmission and a completely rebuilt 383-stroker engine. It also has new cylinder heads, a new radiator, a new electric fan system, a new starter, new spark plugs, new wires, a new distributor, a new water pump, new belts, and a new oil pan. The car has a yellow exterior and a brown interior, creating a unique and memorable look. It has changed hands several times, but its condition looks like that of a new car. This excellent car has a clean history and doesn't require emission testing. The seller also notes that there is a leak in the rear main seal, but it starts easily and runs. It just hasn't been driven due to the leak. While this Corvette Stingray may not be perfect, it provides an excellent platform for customization. If you're seeking a classic car that stands out and has great potential, then this 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray is the ideal choice for you. 10. Here's why the 1969 AMC Rambler, listed for sale at $5,500, deserves your attention. This car is a unique specimen that has retained its original atmosphere and reliability. It has been meticulously maintained and has many new parts, including new shocks, painted wheels, new battery cables, oil and transmission filters, spark plugs and wires, new KYB shocks, new tires, seats, carpeting, reconstructed generator, reconstructed fuel pump, new belts, and air filter. In addition, numerous minor works have been done to ensure its good condition. This AMC Rambler is perfect for daily commutes or even short trips of a few hours. It easily reaches a speed of 70 miles per hour on the highway and has modern handling. The working AM radio receiver and a good heater create a comfortable atmosphere inside the cabin. Additionally, the car has a 20-gallon fuel tank, allowing it to cover long distances without refueling. Although there is a small amount of rust on the car, most of it is surface level and easily remedied. The car's suspension is in excellent condition, ensuring its durability and reliability. The seller provides all original documents for the car, including the window sticker, images attached. This AMC Rambler could be an ideal starting project for vintage car restoration enthusiasts or simply an excellent daily transportation option. The car's price is negotiable, so feel free to ask questions and negotiate the price. The car has a clean Kansas registration. In summary, the 1969 AMC Rambler is a unique and reliable vehicle that deserves the attention of vintage car enthusiasts. Its good condition, reliability, and comfort make it an ideal choice for daily commutes or short trips of a few hours. Don't miss the opportunity to become the owner of this unique car at a relatively low price.